Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Diary of a Teen Entrepreneur. My name is Pranil Saha, and on this channel I'm sharing my full entrepreneurship journey from 13 years of age. So today is part 1 of my first video of my introduction to n8n series, and in this video through the next couple of parts I'm going to be covering how to a basic introduction of n8n and how to install it locally uh, through Docker on Windows. So before I dive into the introduction, let's just talk about AI and how it's actually changing the world right now. So artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's transforming the way we work, communicate, and even make decisions. From chatbots that help customers instantly for customer support, to artificial intelligence analyzing huge amounts of data in seconds that would usually take humans days, maybe even months. It's reshaping industries and creating opportunities that have never been seen before, which is really, really exciting. AI is definitely, it's evolving rapidly. It's getting better day by day. There's new discoveries, and it's helping people be more productive, creative, and efficient. It reduces repetitive tasks and allows humans to do what focus on what really matters. But it's about enhancing human creativity and what humans can do, which gives everyone to be work smarter, be better. But with this potential of AI, there's a big impact definitely on people that haven't adapted AI yet. Jobs are changing for people. Thousands of people are being laid off from different companies, millions actually. But these big companies, they're laying off thousands of people because AI is replacing them. So jobs are changing, industries are shifting, and those who can use AI tools effectively have a huge advantage in this new landscape. And that's where amazing tools like n8n come in. It's a tool that lets you harness the power of AI and automation to take control of your day-to-day workflows and save time and unlock opportunities for yourself and your business. So let's jump into the presentation. So what is n8n and why use it? Okay, so first off, n8n automates workflows across apps. Imagine connecting Gmail, Notion, Google Sheets, and more. So basically, the apps you would use in your day-to-day workflows in one place. You can automate anything from emails to sales, marketing, or content creation. Basically, anything repetitive or time-consuming, n8n can handle it. You can also build your own AI agents to simulate what you would do on a day-to-day basis. These agents can make their own decisions without you being there to make decisions for them. It can send smart replies by using LLMs, which is large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. It can summarize your meetings, make you minutes of meetings, so admin work. Or it could trigger actions based on absolutely any context. It's perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks. It lets bots handle routine jobs while you focus on creative or strategic stuff like marketing, networking, and building your business. And if you're not a coder, do not worry, because uh, last couple of months I have been spending a lot of time on learning n8n, and now I know a lot of the basics, and I know more about the technology. I am I'm not technical at all, but and I've been able to make my own workflows pretty well. I'm actually learning n8n because I'm going to be starting sales and marketing for a new AI agency which is launching soon called Metrics AI. So I'm getting myself comfortable with the technology. So n8n has a very visual editor drag and drop interface. So anyone, even beginners, can create powerful automations and AI workflows. All you really have to do is know your use case and know which nodes to connect. So it also, as I mentioned before, integrates with AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or any other large language models which integrate directly into your workflows. And the exciting part is that the market for AI and the demand for AI is absolutely massive right now, which means if you know what you're doing, if you know your stuff, there's a huge money making potential if you start leveraging AI as soon as you can. So how it works? Okay, so how does n8n actually work? We've talked about it being able to connect your apps which you use in your day-to-day workflows through nodes. So it connects all the apps and tools you already use in one place. You start with a trigger, which is just an event that kicks off the automation. So it's basically running your whole workflow. A real life example of this would be something like for an email automation agent. It's receiving an email into your inbox. You receive an email, and then once that email trigger happens, n8n automatically performs tasks for you. You could It could send a message, it could reply, it could download and save the files, or it could update a spreadsheet. So the AI agency I'm working with, Metrics AI, they have a really good PDF document invoice reading AI, which basically it goes through your inbox every once in a while. Then whatever invoices you get, it automatically downloads them. Then it uploads it to Metrics ERP, which is their ERP software. That's a really unique use case which I've seen, which relates to this. That saves really a lot of time on admin work, and sometimes invoices get missed and stuff like that. So that's a really good example of how AI automation can save time for people. So anything routine like admin work, as I said, you can automate. You can link multiple tasks together in a workflow to handle bigger processes automatically. So workflows can follow simple rules like, if this certain thing happens, then you do that. If instead someone says, then you do that. So you can make workflows really complex. And so the really cool part about n8n is that you can include AI into your workflows. So it's not just connecting apps. The AI can analyze data, it can create content, or it can even make decisions. Everything runs automatically, which saves you time and it reduces mistakes. So without AI, a workflow will be doing certain tasks after one another, but the AI it's basically the brain which makes the whole workflow smarter. Let's talk about the different types of AI, because I know that these two types get confused really often. The two types are AI agents and AI automations. AI automations are like smart assistants that can operate on their own, learn from data, and make decisions on the go. They adapt over time and can act with minimal human output. For example, a smart assistant like Siri or Google Assistant answers questions, sets reminders, and even books reservations. Or a business can employ an AI sales rep that negotiates pricing, schedules meetings, and closes deals almost on its own without any human involvement. You can even have autonomous cars like Tesla that learn from driving experiences, or advanced custom AI helpers built with ChatGPT that remember past conversations and offer personalized advice based on how you're interacting with the AI. On the other hand, here we have AI automations. They follow preset rules exactly as you define them. They don't learn or adapt to the person interacting with it. They follow preset rules exactly as you define them, so they just do the task consistently. Examples include email automation or sending an automated message when you receive one. An example of this is on Fiverr. They have a feature when you reach a certain level where when a buyer sends a message to your inbox, it automatically sends a pre-set message to them. So that's an example of AI automation and not AI agents, because no matter what the client says, that preset message will send exactly the same. This could also apply when someone fills something like a lead gen form, which then sends an email to that person's inbox. Social media scheduling, where you can set specific times and it uploads videos at that time, which is seen on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other really social media thing. And or it could be something like you telling AI to, like smart home automation, where you tell AI to maybe switch on your lights in your house at set, or both are really powerful. AI agents give flexibility and learning for more complex human-like tasks, while automations ensure consistency and reliability. So it's not like one's better than the other. It's just there's different uses for both. So how do you actually get started? To get started, you can first sign up at n8n.io, or if you want full control, you can self-host your workflows and data, which I'm going to be covering in the next few parts of this video. Next, you can scroll through the pre-built templates on n8n, and they're a great way to speed up your automation projects, because chances are, if you have a use case, if you have a need that you want to fulfill with AI, someone's already created a solution for it, so you can take that, and then it's plug and play basically. Just connect the APIs and then customize a bit, you're good to go. Then you can create your first workflow by connecting apps or adding AI tools, so you can customize it if you can't find a template. Don't worry, this part, the interface is really simple and really quite intuitive. And I'm going to be teaching some of the basics of how to get started on this channel in the next few videos. So finally, please do think about the opportunities, because once you understand n8n, you can even use it to offer automation services, which can help businesses save time and generate revenue for yourself. So in the next part, we're going to be diving in even deeper into n8n. We'll cover how to download it and run it locally on Windows, which gives you full control over your workflows. It keeps your data private and allows you to experiment freely without relying on cloud services. Plus, running n8n locally is faster and gives you flexibility to connect um, apps and services in any way you want, exactly the way you need. And it saves quite a bit of money because n8n on cloud costs around 50 euros, which is 58 US, and plus API costs, which you're going to be incurring on local anyway, but you don't have that fee. You get all the paid features completely for free on local, but I'm going to be covering this in the next video. So that's your quick intro to n8n. You automate your workflows, tap into 8 AI, and start saving time while opening up new money-making opportunities. If you found this video helpful in any way, please do make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video where I'll explore local installation and more advanced workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating.